What if I told you that you can make money online using just your laptop or phone starting today? No fancy degree, no huge investment, just real skills and consistency. The first and most reliable way is freelancing. Skills like graphic design, video editing, writing, or data entry are in high demand. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork connect you directly with clients who are ready to pay. The second method is content creation. YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram pay creators through ads, brand deals, and affiliate links. You don't even need to show your face. Voiceovers, screen recordings, or simple explainer videos work great. Another powerful option is affiliate marketing. You promote products using a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. This works especially well with tech, fitness, and online tools. Let's be honest, there's no such thing as instant money, but if you stay consistent and focus on one method, results do come. If you want step-by-step videos on how to start making money online, hit the like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video.